Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Today I'm doing a zodiac nail design. I'm doing Gemini nails. So I start by doing my basic nail prep. So I push back my cuticles. Then I use a cuticle bit to go around the cuticles and push back the cuticles even more and clean up the dead skin from around the nail plate. Then I lightly buffed the nails with a 240 grit nail file to remove the shine, and I also filed the free edge. I also use my cuticle nippers to cut the excess cuticles. These are the tips I'll be using today, so I'm just finding my sizes. Then I'm using my Prodip top coat to stick on the nail tips. This is a dip powder top coat, so it can be used like glue. Next, I just stick the tips on my nails. Then I cut the tips to my desired length. Now I just file the tips into shape. Next, I removed the shine and made the tips flush with my natural nails. So these are the dip liquids I'll be using today, and I'm using my dip powder top coat as a base liquid, which is also a glue as I said before. And I'll be using Totally Dipped Glamorous and Milky White. I apply my Prodip prep to dehydrate my nails. You can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they do the same thing. Next, I apply a thin layer of base to my whole nail, and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. I did one layer of that. I'm using Shameless Nails clear dip powder to do this. So as I said before, today I'm doing a Gemini inspired manicure. The birthstone for Gemini is pearl, and pearls are milky white in color. So let me see all the Geminis that are watching this video. Comment down below. On the pinky nail, I'm using the gold dip powder, so I placed it in a tray for easier access. Then I applied base to the whole nail and laid my finger into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Then I decided to encapsulate the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. I did 3 layers but only showed 1 layer. Moving on to the middle finger, I did a few layers of the milky white dip powder. I actually built up the nail with this dip powder. I did not encapsulate with clear. Now on the index nail, I applied activator to remove the cloudiness of the nail, and then I waited for it to dry. I wanted to do a marble with the milky white and clear dip powder, but the problem with that is if I did my marble nail the usual way by swirling the colors together, it wouldn't work because milky white and clear dip powders are too similar. So I decided to do a tap method type of marble where I apply base and then I tapped the white on places on the nail. I did about 3 layers of that and I did not like it. I decided to do it with a brush, but it didn't work out. Then I decided to just place base on certain areas on the nail and poured the white dip powder. I did about 4 layers of that, but I only showed 3 layers. So this is what it looked like. Then I applied activator to the clear areas on the nail. Next, I encapsulated the nail. I did 2 layers and then I decided that I wanted some gold nail foils. So I placed it on the nail and then I continued to encapsulate the nail. I wasn't too sure how this nail would turn out. I needed to know, so I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden so that I can file. So while the nail was hardening, I separated the chunky from the fine glitter. Then I placed tape on either side of the ring nail and I'm doing a color block ombre. So I applied base to the middle of the nail and then I ombreed the gold, the powder and clear the powder. I did 3 layers of that. Then I encapsulated the glitter and built up the middle area. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then I filed to get a straighter line. So I'm just showing the filing of the index nail. Then I applied some top coat to see how the finished nail would look, and it could pass. So let's proceed to the ring nail again. So I'm just going to apply the base and pour the milky white dip powder on either side of the nail. I built up the nail with this dip powder. I did not encapsulate with clear. Reason being, this milky white dip powder is very sheer and requires a few layers to reach full opacity. So I decided to build up the nail with the white dip powder. Okay, so these are the nails individually. The index nail was already encapsulated and filed to a point. It needed to file a little more. The middle nail was built up with the milky white. The ring nail as well was built up with the milky white. And the pinky nail was already encapsulated. Now I applied activator and waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now using my Modelones Gel Glue and Top Coat, I apply it to the middle finger. And before curing, I'm using my rhinestones to make the Gemini symbol, and then I cured for 30 seconds. This pencil was not working to pick up the rhinestones. I had to use my fingers for most of it. Then I applied top coat to the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of my Gemini nail design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.